What is that?
Chill out, fool. We gonna be right behind you. Throw me some boxes, CJ. Damn, not so hard. Keep them coming. Bullseye. Trying to kill me. And another one. Okay, CJ, that's all I can carry. Hop in the car and stab out, fool. Man, we got one time on our tail.
Hey, Buster.
Take this, you punk, one time.
Don't drive drunk, CJ. Fool, hit the pay and spray.
I had room to drive, I just asked you.
Head back to Grove Street, fool.
Check this one.
Put my seatbelt on. Glad it ain't my ride.
I'm moving.
Damn, homie, your stuff was tight.
Yeah, you too, homie.
LB's coming over to stash the shit.
Okay, later then.
For life, CJ. For life, you heard?
Protocol has the best bulletin.
Hey, Ron! This nigga low. Ron!
Yeah, CJ. Hey, CJ, tell me why I didn't finish high school.
Cause you been dealing drugs, man, since the age of 10.
No, that ain't it.
Cause you had put hands on that teacher for wearing baller colors.
No, that ain't it either. It's cause I'm too intelligent for this shit, man. I am the real deal, fool. Oh, yeah. A genius.
Oh, yeah.
Who has more straps than anybody? Who has all the straps, huh?
A man with a lot of guns. Shit, I give up.
The army, my nigga. The army. Let's go.
Yeah.
Go hit
Get
the
that
way,
out my
man.
face,
Go
man.
hit the
Like,
way.
you don't fuck with
Oh,
that,
come
man.
on, man.
Come on.
Buster.
Ain't nobody can tell me when to hit the John.
You think you can roll this van without killing us both?
Hey, Ryder, where we going?
Ocean docks.
How we get this van? It wasn't outside when I came through.
My homie LB, he like a clockwork ninja. Real dependable. Unlike some of you motherfuckers.
Give it a rest, man. I lost my little brother, and now I lost my mom.
Don't matter how much shit the city throw at you. CJ, you gotta stick by your homies.
Yeah, I guess.
Traffic back up from here, man.
gambling again, Wes. Learn how to drive!
Stupid bastard!
Don't you know what road rage is? And what do you think I'm gonna do?
Maricón!
This is the spot. National Guard Depot.
Man, this shit look real serious. Are we up for this?
It's National Guard, fool. Weekend soldiers. Ain't no match for Grove Street OGs. Now get in there and open the damn gate.
Hey, stop where you are! We've got an intruder! Sound the alarm!
Nice job, CJ. Thought that was a suicide mission for sure.
Hey, what you saying?
No!
Now open the warehouse and keep these motherfuckers busy.
Okay, we in. Move it, Ryder.
Now you better shut up.
I'll watch our backs while you use the forklift to collect the crates. Okay, homie, let's load this shit up.